Rasikas and Sahridayas, here is a grand effort. One of my dream projects coming to reality. An effort which will leave the effect of its benevolence on each one of us for our whole lifetime. Shyamala Dandakam, by none other than the greatest ever among the poets, Kalidasa, has been set to tune in 26 apt ragas and is dedicated to the world. The sweetness of the immaculate poetry and the lilting rhythm in which the poetry is woven is sure to captivate our hearts and elevate our souls. Dandakam is a meter for Sanskrit poetry. It will suffice if we understand it just as Kanda Nadai or Taka Takita Taka Takita Taka Takita Deen Deen.